Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So the home that the late rapper aka had lived in Bryanston, Johannesburg is reportedly being placed for renting for over 30,000 rands per month, you guys. It has now come to light that AKA did not own the house, that he was only renting the mansion, and now the homeowner is looking for tenants to move in and occupy the house. Now, according to an article which is done by the Sunday World, Nchimane Mukowa, who is the owner, terminated the lease agreement shortly after the hitmaker's untimely death in February this year. A source told the publication it was not his house, he was renting the property. I know people thought this was his house because of the vehicle he was driving. The 30,000 rands a rental per month house consists of 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 3 reception areas, fully equipped kitchen, low maintenance garden and pool, double garage, uncapped Wi-Fi, DSTV, garden and pool services, backup inventor system. Now there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. Definitely see you on the flip side. Thank you for watching. Bye.